Welcome to your August 2024 Adelaide Property Market update. Let's dive into the latest stats and trends shaping the market. To start with the national market overview, in July we saw a 0.5% increase in national dwelling values, the same as we observed in June. This marks the 18th consecutive month of growth in the national property market. However, not all cities are experiencing the same upward trend. Melbourne recorded a 0.9% fall over the last 3 months, with Hobart and Darwin also seeing declines. Despite this, Adelaide remains the second fastest growing market over the past 3 months, accelerating by 5%, which is just behind Perth. Supply and demand. One of the key factors driving these diverse changes across markets is the shortage of stock. In Adelaide, stock levels are down by staggering 42.3% compared to the previous 5-year average. This shortage is pushing demand toward the lower value end of the market as tougher borrowing and affordability challenges are still there. Sales performance over the last 12 months, Adelaide recorded 25,627 total sales, reflecting an annual increase in volume of 11.4%. Unit prices are rising even faster than houses still, with a 7.1% increase in the last 3 months compared to 4.7% for houses. This growth rate in Adelaide is actually leading the nation. Total market stats, here are the key ones for you. Rolling 3 months dwelling values are up 5%, rolling 12 months and dwelling values are up 15.5%. Average annual growth over the last decade is up 6.5% and units are up 18.5% compared to 15.1% for houses. The median values, median dwelling value is now 777,597, median house value at 830,609 and median unit value 546,429. Rental market stats now, average weekly rent for houses $590 and for units $510. Houses have seen a 3.6% increase in rental yield while units are up 4.7%. The change in rent year on year is 8.1% for houses and 8.7% for units. Interesting trends, it's noteworthy that the lower quartile of the market has risen 20.9% over the last year compared to 13.3% increase in the most expensive quartile. If Adelaide's dwelling value continues at its current rate, it's on track to overtake Melbourne's average dwelling value, a national first between these two states. The supply and demand issue remains critical, with more houses being sold than are being listed, which is expected to continue driving up home values into the end of the year. However, there is good news for buyers. The gap between sellers and new listings is starting to narrow as vendors remain active in the market. We also observed a 6.5% drop in dwelling approvals, signalling tighter profit margins and a scarcity of skilled trades due to the rising construction costs. The outlook. There is no reduction in interest rates for at least 6 months, the RBA has said. Economists now predict the first rate cut will be in February 25, with a cash rate to 3.6% by the end of 25. And this will be welcome as dwelling prices continue to increase faster than income. At Turner Real Estate, please go to turnerrealestate.com.au. We now have at least 8 properties that are just on our website for sale, and there's 3 or 4 at the moment that are only on our website for rent. Please do go there. We'll make sure we keep you informed. You can register as a buyer and a renter as well. If you do need any help selling or need a property managed, please do give me a call personally if you like at 0403 272 087. Thank you.